Man, this month, digital currency. Oh my God. Hey, thanks for tuning in. This month, digital currency has kind of gone crazy. And with the rise of Bitcoin topping out here close to 50,000, Ethereum at 1,800, Dogecoin going up to 8.5 cents, there's been a lot of questions online about how to buy and trade some of these coins. Some of them I've seen use Coinbase. Some guys are buying stuff through Robinhood. You can buy Bitcoin through Cash App. I wanted to show you the app that I am using. It is called Voyager. You can find this in the App Store, Google Play Store. Now, when I first downloaded Voyager, it was at the beginning of the Dogecoin boom. I was late to that game by far, but I did notice that you could buy and sell a lot of crypto on here, and there's really no fees to using it. So you download the app, you install it, connect it to your bank account. All in all, it took me about 10 minutes to get set up and transfer money. And that transferred money from my account was available pretty much instantly for use, which I did like a lot. Now, this is the Voyager screen. As you can see, there are a lot of cryptos that you can trade, all kinds of them in the market. I have this currently set at 1 day time frame here on the percentage change. So I do like quite a few things about Voyager as an app as far as trading goes. I know you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. They actually charge you a fair amount to buy and sell Bitcoin as a percentage. I don't like that about it. I also don't like that Cash App doesn't have limit sells. Robinhood does have some Bitcoin and some other of the cryptos on there as well. So you can use Robinhood. And I don't think, I'm just going to double check this, but I don't believe that Robinhood has limit sells on crypto. And this is super important if you want to flip and make some quick money. One thing to note about crypto, yeah, they do have limit orders on there. I don't know if they have limit sales, but they do have limit orders on Robinhood. So you can make some easy money buying and selling crypto every day. Treat it almost like a forex, forex trade, or you can trade it like a stock trade, except there are no trading limits to the amount of times that you can buy and sell your crypto. It's not like a stock where there's day trade limits. So what I like to do in this app is I like to scroll through and I see some of the percentage gains. You know, Bitcoin Cash up 7.6 today. You can also check it by the hour right here. One thing that I don't like is there are no alerts in this app, which is kind of a bummer. I wish there were. Currently, I'm holding some TRX, some Tron. If we open it up here, we can see my return is sitting at about $10, $11. I was up to about $20 today on this, and this is a small investment. If we look at how much I'm actually holding, I have a limit sell open right here. I'm holding 7,400 Tron, and I've got a limit price at 0.559, which will net me $417. You can see here where I bought some at 387. I bought that right there at a limit price of 0.52. So if I execute this limit sell, that'll net me a neat little $30, $40 profit. And keep in mind, it's doing nothing right now except going up and down. I could sell it here. And the same goes with all of the other ones. I bought Dogecoin, buy and sell this one. You know, you can see here on the hourly chart, the highs and lows. Also on the daily, you know, you could have bought it down here at 47 or 0.47 cents, sold at 0.59. That's a pretty good percentage difference there. It's a pretty good gain. You know, they've got weekly, monthly charts, which I do like about Voyager. All of this financials you can see on all of them. So you can buy and sell Bitcoin on here. You can buy and sell all of these. And what I like to do is just kind of keep my eye on them, what's moving, what's not, in pertaining to some of the news that's out there as well. Some of them are picking up steam. And you can come in here and just throw in $200-$300, you know, or less, and just set buy and sell limits. Now, here's the thing that I'm going to show you that a lot of people don't realize when you're trading crypto is right here you see the bid price and the ask price, right? The bid price is the price that people would like to pay for this coin, And the ask price is what people would like to sell it for. So right now, Dogecoin is sitting at 0.57 cents as a bid, 0.61 is the ask. If I go in here to buy Dogecoin, you see one Doge equals 0.061. We are paying, if we just buy it at market price, we are paying the ask. Now, if we bought that and went to immediately sell it, we're going to be selling it at market value of the bid price. We will immediately lose money. Instantly, you will be down money. So it is important that when you buy these, you use limit orders. And say you want to buy, let's just say a limit price of 0.050, and we want to spend $100. That will buy us 2,000 Dogecoin with $100. It will not execute until it reaches 0.050. Now, if it's lower than that, you still bought it at 0.50. Same goes for selling it. If we want to sell our Doge, we would go to a limit and we would put in our ask price right here of say 0.65, and let's just say we had 2,000 to sell. That would net us $130. We would have made $30 on that trade. So it's very important that you pay attention to that and you don't just buy and sell the asks immediately and lose money. On a lot of these cryptos, they have been kind of going up and down. If we look at the weeks and we look at the monthly chart, we're on the high end for a lot of these. That's Tron, Dogecoin's at the high end for sure, and it's been floating around. So if you want to get into these, this is a great app for doing so. I definitely recommend Voyager. I also downloaded another app that alerts me on these, and I'm going to see if I can pull that up here. It is Uplift. Uplift, I have some limits set, as well as coinalert.me. This one here also has limits set. These are more specific, so I can come in here and set certain alerts, add alert, and that'll let me know that the coin is going up or down, which is extremely helpful, especially if you're doing that. So sometimes I'll just set sell limits and buy limits, go to sleep, wake up, I bought or sold my crypto. And that's one way you can slowly build up your money. And I wouldn't say that this is something that you're looking for to make a whole ton of money real fast. But if you're looking to get your feet wet, grow your account, make $10, $20, $30 a day, just letting your money sit there, this is definitely a great app and a great way to do it. Try not to, if you see Bitcoin's going to 50,000. Well, if you look at the chart, Bitcoin always goes up and down, up and down. And for Bitcoin to vary a few percent isn't that big a deal. Some of these other ones, if you see something jump up like Dogecoin did and went up to 8 cents, don't buy it at 8 cents. That's crazy. It's probably not going to $1 anytime soon, but Dogecoin could easily hit 10 cents within the next month or so. Elon's been tweeting a bunch of stuff out there about Doge. Who knows what's going to happen? What we do know is that 50% of all Dogecoin is held amongst 20 wallets. That's huge. That's huge concentration and small amount of people. So that's Elon's problem with Dogecoin. Some of these other ones have good momentum going to them. Tron has good momentum going to it. Let's see, Bitcoin Cash has been trading. Litecoin's been trading well. XRP's gone up a decent amount in the week, 28%. I mean, these are big gains. You put in $100, pull out $128. That's pretty good for a week turnaround, and you constantly do that, compound your money. That's where you're going to really make some cash in the long term. If you want to just invest in it, you can use it for that too. Now, I have not withdrawn money from this app, but I do know that doing all of the ACH transfers is a couple days, so keep that in mind. Don't put all your rent money into it. Don't put all your food money into it, but throw a couple bucks in it here or there, $10, $20 out of your check, and slowly build up a portfolio that grows with you over time. So if you want some more tips, some more tricks, just leave a comment. I'll do my best to respond to them and make videos about them as we go down this investing journey and a way to make some money with the money that you're saving up. So I hope this helped you out. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll see you for the next video.